All right, studio visit with Moose to Eddie Dominguez. Eddie, what's going on, my friend?
How you doing?
I'm great. I'm great. How's school going? Started everything off?
Everything's going pretty smooth, as smooth can go on a bumpy road.
Nice. Let's see what we got going here. What?
I got 3 dinnerware sets on the move right now. This is a big one. It's a place setting for 12. This is a smaller one, not really, but it's a place setting for 10. And then I have a fish aquarium going on in the other studio. This is the plate that's going to this set of dishes.
Nice. Beautiful.
And these are the plates for, it has no glaze on them. Cool. The smaller ones for this big set. It's made up of a lot of dishes.
So this process would be the process before, after this?
They get glazed.
Before that, pre-glazing? So
yeah, beautiful. You can look at that dish right there, and you can look at this dish right here, and you can see what the difference might be in terms of how things look when they're finished.
Very cool, man. What you got working on in the other room?
In the other room, I have a tile going on. I got some totem poles happening over there, which are just stacked cups.
Nice.
We got this big, beautiful tile. It's the biggest tile I've ever made. It's one of the biggest tiles that has ever come out of this place. It's actually too big for even the facility we have, but somehow we managed to get it done.
That's awesome.
Through some trial and errors. It's hard to see, but there's a sky with trees, with a pond with a lot of reflection in it, a lot of movement in the water.
Beautiful, man. Beautiful. What's this?
This is a large torso. It's called, well, it's not finished, but it's a flame man on fire.
See.
And then I have these things over here, but these just live here.
Whoa.
And I have smaller versions of this, you know, that will go on a table, and I have some bats that hang on the wall and other tiles. So I've been busy. It's all in the works.
Beautiful, man.
And this is called Night Sweat. It's sort of black blue tears that hang up on the wall and create a big wall. Probably, I'm not sure how big, but big.
I'm looking forward to our show, man.
I know it's going to be a full one, brother.
All right. Hey, you take care of yourself, Eddie.
You take care of yourself. Good luck with all of the stuff you're doing.
Totally.